Okay, I'm not sure that we need to do a video for for vertical asymptotes, but just in case you forgot, the vertical asymptote is a bad problem in math. This is very bad. It's so bad that we make a vertical line to show that it's a mathematical impossibility. Like we just can't live on that line. So the worst thing that can happen in math is if we divide by 0. Dividing by 0 is like literally the worst thing that we can do. So we need to focus our attention on what's happening downstairs, because dividing by 0 downstairs, that's our problem. So for finding vertical asymptotes, what we're essentially doing is we're finding things that if we replace them with x, something bad would happen. So here's my equation. If I replace x with 3, I don't think anything bad happens. When I say bad, I mean getting a 0 downstairs. 3 plus 2 is 5. 3 minus 7 is -4. That's not bad. I mean, it's a fraction. Maybe you don't like fractions, but nothing terrible happened. So maybe you're like, okay, maybe the answer is 7. If I replace x with 7, something bad will happen. I don't think that's true either. Here's a 7 and here's a 7. Oh, just kidding. Something bad does happen. I wasn't paying attention to the problem. Let's just see what happens if we plug in 7, right? If we put 7 in, we get 9 over 0, and that is bad. So x being 7 is very, very bad for us, right? And so what your equation would lead to is that vertical line at 7. All right, so the short story here, because you're always looking for like condensed versions, is focus your attention downstairs and think of what these numbers are and how do we make zeros, right? If it's 3, then what will pair with a 3 to make a 0, right? -3. What will pair with a -6 to make 0? A +6. So if I have an x plus 6 downstairs, then what will make a 0 is its match that's opposite, right? And so what we're basically looking for is opposites in the denominator, right? If x minus 7 is your denominator, then x equals 7 is the equation of the vertical asymptote. Okay?